Okay. Hey. So here is another comment, right? That I am very delighted to share with the viewers that my videos in regards to about fake AliExpress, right? That has been going around, especially in the country of South Africa, right? And it's an online scam, the fake AliExpress. That means there's an official AliExpress, okay? So the fake AliExpress, so right now I have this comment that I'm delighted that my video, right, talking about how to identify this kind of online scams, right, which you can still find this video, right, in my TikTok, where you can, it's posted here, and you can read the caption. You can read the caption, and you can go and watch the video again. I have identified 3 points of how do you spot the fake AliExpress. Okay, and if you still feel very strongly that you can still partner with the official AliExpress, right? Then you go and watch this video, right? Which I is also available in my TikTok, right? And then I also put it in the in my the captions of this video, yeah. And over there is a 10 minutes tutorial video showing you how can you sign up with the official AliExpress. Okay, so I hope this is useful, and please continue to share my video, especially if you are from South Africa, right? Then you can help more people to prevent them become the victim of such online scams. Okay, so over here, since we have a little bit more time, then I refresh the go walk you through the steps in this video of how can you sign up with the official AliExpress as their affiliate marketer. Okay, so here we go. The first thing is you can go to Google, type in the keyword AliExpress affiliate program, right? And the Google will show you a few, options. Then you click into this and make sure that the link that you click into has the proper fully spelled AliExpress name. Okay, that means it's spelled as AliExpress, one word, .com, right? So when you click on it, if the link that you are clicking on has the and complete name being spelled out, right, it can be trusted. Then you click on it, go over, it will show you the AliExpress, right? Usually it will be the part whereby they show you how to sign up. So this is one way you can get yourself registered officially with the official AliExpress. Then you just follow the instructions from there. So if you are still lost, right, then go and watch my tutorial video here. Okay, so I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you very much for leaving your comment, and don't forget to follow me because I'm using my social media, right, to actually teach, right, either my videos or in my live streaming. I teach about how can you become an online marketer, right? Especially when you are going to help to sell other people's product, right? So that means you are an affiliate, right? So how do you do that properly? And then you do it in a way that it can be long term. Okay, right? Okay, so I hope this is useful for you, and I will see you in my next video.